Hello guys, welcome back to our channel here. Claude and Jessica, living in the Philippines. Currently in Texas, as my wife always says. So my wife is starting to see what it's like to live here in America and see what it's like other people she works with and whether they drive cars that cost them $600-700 a month, and why get another new car if you already have one, you're doing just fine with it. And why everybody complains about they have no money. Even the people who are making $67,000 a year, 60 or 70,000, and it's the American way, living beyond your means. People get raises. What do? They spend more money. They buy more new stuff, more flashy stuff. Like we just paid off our car. We didn't go buy a new car. Our car's only got 125,000 miles on it. We bought a car in the Philippines, much, much cheaper. Our van there doesn't really affect us. But she always asks me, well, why do these people do this? And eat fast food all the time. There's different stuff she's getting used to. She's not used to that in the Philippines. You know? It's just very interesting to see that being done. And most people do it. They'll get a raise, and when they go spend that raise, they're in a monthly debt. Always paying some credit card to get another credit card to pay that one off. I always stay away from that stuff. And even now I have one. It's not a lot. And being retired, I don't want big flashy stuff. I don't want anything that's going to keep me here in this country. And we are going back to the Philippines soon. It was for vacation for now. But excuse my voice too. I picked up my wife's cough. I got a little bit of a cold going on. And yeah, just a tip: don't live beyond your means. Well, you gotta work 3 jobs, never get any sleep, stressed out constantly. Sorry, I'm not doing that shit. I learned that a lot. Learned that over the years, and having a good wife right now who supports me, and we support each other. We have our bank account. We both got cards. We know what's going on with each other. We spend together. Careful, Arabella. She's got her stash, I got mine. We work together. Bills come in. We pay them. I do most of the stuff online, anything that has to do with my son's school, all of those things. So my wife doesn't know about that. She's learning as she comes along. And if we decide to only go for vacation, she's going to go to nursing school. If we only go to vacation in the Philippines for 3 weeks. Seems to be leaning towards that, but then we have our days when we're like, let's get the hell out of here. And this particular small town we live in, there's crime, but not too bad, but there's a lot of criminals on the street around here. The small town we lived in before, a lot of those people just getting out of jail. My wife worked with a lady. She got arrested for drugs. It's just crazy. But anyways, don't live beyond your means, seriously. What's the point? So you can look like you have money when actually you don't, because all you do is pay on those flashy things that you just bought and never have a lot of money. You got a family, you always take your kids out, do things. When we keep our kids happy, we take them places. We don't go flashy places pretending we got money. It's just not happening. But it could be the mix of my wife always had a savings when she was an OFW. And I actually was never really good with money, but I've learned a lot with my wife and how we do things. Things work out pretty good. But anyways, guys, that's my vlog for today. My Filipina sees how Americans live beyond their means. Take care. Please hit the like button for this channel, guys. It really helps us out. Maraming salamat.